One of the very cool things about the EQ code is how flexible it is. So it works with all ages, from children 3 to 4 years old through to senior CEO executives who may be stuck in the dark ages as far as emotional intelligence goes. It works with two parts of the brain, the prefrontal cortex, but also the mid and hindbrain. And for this reason, the code is also culturally agnostic, sexually agnostic, and religiously agnostic as well. So a circle represents a human, a square represents anything and everything else. And that single circle represents you, represents me, and the other 8 billion people on the planet are represented by exactly the same symbol. So when we teach the logic of love, the code of connection, and the code of collaboration, the logic that is applied is all symbolically visualized, as well as having very clear phrases attached to it. And the reason for that is, again, it works with the back part of the brain, and so it helps us to let go of our unconscious biases and start to see and feel how we are connecting to each individual in front of us. The self-awareness is very simplistic. It's based on some basic colors or patterns if you're actually colorblind, but the emotional intelligence aspect is also of a visual nature, so we can get the back part of the brain connecting with the body and alerting us to when our state has shifted. So self-awareness for individuals who have never had self-awareness in their life, 40 years old and plus, can suddenly become actually quite good, because those individuals are actually far more sensitive than most of us realize. When it comes to dealing with adversity, which is the third level up here, emotional resilience, it all comes down to the ability to be agile in our thinking and also to rebound. So when we can deal with adversity and be flexible in our thinking, then we're able to be emotionally resilient and navigate lots of different situations and keep coming back to it. When we've got those three levels, logic, self-awareness and emotional intelligence, and emotional resilience, we can step up into the space of vulnerability. And when it comes to getting different individuals from different walks of life and different ages working together, we really do need vulnerability to be one of the key players there. So once we've got the logic and the self-awareness and the resilience, then vulnerability can come to play, and we can show up as our true selves and really learn from each other at many different levels. This resonates for you and you'd like to find out more about the EQ code, please Google eqcode.global or check out one of us on one of the links around this video.